Hey guys, literally the worst angle right now, but it is Tuesday morning. I just dropped off my girls, and last night and this morning was really rough. My youngest woke up from her quick nap after picking her up from my parents, and she just was so upset and kept crying, wouldn't take anything I was offering her. She was just upset at everything, so I literally was just letting her cry like next to me, because no matter what I was doing for her, she just wasn't happy. I just got off work and I'm actually at Goodwill. They don't close until 8 o'clock, so I have about 2 hours. Hopefully I could find something. I'm not sure, since it is much later in the day. I don't know if they restock at night, but I'm gonna take you guys with me since I don't have my kids. I'm gonna try to take my time and really browse through everything and see what I can find. I just got to work. I didn't get to bring any lunch, but then my mom packed me some rice and chicken. So this is what I'm going to be having for lunch. And I just brought a cheese stick because that's all I had. Sorry, I just have like so many things in my bag that I'm trying to clear out. I'm going to go inside so I can get clocked in and start this work day. Hi guys, I just got home from work and I had my husband go to Costco and Walmart because Mavis is completely out of diapers. I'm making some rice right now. They did eat with my parents, and I'm just heating up the pork with jowl that my husband made yesterday because there's still a lot of it left, and I'm just gonna feed the girls that for dinner. I love it when we have leftovers from Sundays because it makes it so much easier to just come home on a Monday night and don't really have to think too much about dinner, because it's already been like a long stressful day of getting back into like the start of like the new week. So I hate coming home and having to make a fuss about dinners. Went to Safeway for some lunch because I didn't pack anything. Well, I did pack my PB&J, but I ate that already. Ever since I cleared out this room, we've been in here a lot more. The girls actually really enjoy having a second place just to play, and it's really nice because they're not just stuck in the living room all day, and it just kind of changes the atmosphere for them. My hair looks so crazy, but my youngest has been napping for probably almost, I want to say like 40 minutes now, so I'm gonna use this time to fold my laundry. Okay, thank you. Mavis has this little kitchen set up and she's making food for me. Thank you. Hi guys, so I've been back home for a few hours already, and I did work my last Saturday shift today. On Saturdays we only have one pharmacist and 2 tech, so it was a good day. It wasn't as busy, and I think it's also because we had a volleyball tournament. But the downside to today is that my whole entire city is literally on fire, and people were evacuating. It was just a lot. Hi guys, I just dropped off my girls and it is officially my last day of work. We still have this full entire day to get through, so I'm hoping and praying for a good day at work because nothing sucks more than like a stressful day. I just can't believe that this day is finally here. Hi guys, so I wanted to share everything that I got today. I got these pair of like ballet flats from Burlington, and they were $14.99. I love that the fabric is just cloth, so it's stretchy, it's comfortable. First thing I got is a pair of black shorts. This was $5.99. They're super cute, they're very comfortable. It's like to be in like active wear that's like comfortable, easy to move around, easy to chase my kids too. And then next I got this pair of pants. It's by 32 Degrees, which is a brand that you can find at Costco, I believe. These were $9.99. It's a little bit pricey for what I want to pay for Goodwill. I don't know exactly what the material is, but it's just really comfortable and they're super cute. It does kind of have like that like slouchy feeling, which is what I like. And then next is another black pair of pants. These are by the brand Doos. These are really comfortable. They are kind of like a wide leg pants, just black. I figured these would be really cute to dress up or dress down, and these were $5.99. These are really comfortable, be perfect for at home, going out, and for work too. I have no idea what the brand is for this one. It doesn't have anything on the tag besides just the size, so I have no idea what the brand is. I got these for $5.99. I do love the color. I absolutely just love the bottom. I just like parachute style pants. I think they're so cute and I'm so excited to wear these. I spent a total of $30.68, including a bag purchase. I'm so happy with all my purchases. I can't wait to wear them. If you guys have been following me for a very long time, you know that I pretty much stopped buying any new makeup. I don't wear as much as I used to. I bought these two new products to try, and so far, like my first day, I'm so in love with this. I think it's so beautiful. I even went to my husband. I was like, wow, like my foundation looks really good. I just feel like my normal makeup routine that I was doing for like my base wasn't sitting well on my skin anymore. So overall, I really like this foundation and I've been wearing it all day already. I've had this on ever since 8 in the morning. I've been out, it's hot. I feel like it's held its coverage pretty well. And I don't know if you guys can kind of see like some of my breakouts and scarring from my cheeks, but overall I think it is a pretty good foundation with its coverage. And if you guys have like clear skin, this will literally be like an easy full coverage foundation for you. But yeah, I love the glass bottle. I love the packaging of the cap. I love that it's a pump. I love the way it feels. It's lightweight, but it's like, you know, full coverage. It's buildable. And I did do like just a very thin layer. Like it blends in very nicely, and I feel like it evened out my skin tone pretty well too. It's amazing. I'm very impressed. They did a really good job.